Using the method of dimensions, derive the expression for rate of flow. V, rate of flow is volume by time, of a liquid through a pipe of radius r under a pressure gradient E by L, pressure by length. Given that V also depends upon coefficient of viscosity theta of the liquid. Coefficient of viscosity is also called what we call as liquid friction, how viscous a liquid is. As we have dry friction or friction, what we say. Similar in liquids, we have liquid friction. So over here we write rate of flow is proportional to the R to R A E by L raised to B, eta raised to C, where R stands for radius, E by L is the pressure gradient, and eta is coefficient of viscosity. So first step is, let's write the dimensional formula for V, R, E by L, eta at 1. V is rate of flow. Don't take it as volume. It is rate of flow. That is volume by time. So this is volume by time. Volume is length into breadth into height. So these are all of these three. They have the dimension of length only. So it is L3 T minus 1. That is the dimensional formula for rate of flow of liquid. E by L. P is pressure. Pressure is how do we write pressure? Pressure is written as force upon area. Force is what? Mass into acceleration. A, area, length comes over here. Dimensional formula for P by L. What is mass M? Acceleration dimensional formula L1 T minus 2. That is velocity by time or distance upon time square upon area. Area is length to the breadth. That is L2 upon L. So P by L comes out to be M1 L minus 2 T minus 2. M1 L, this 1 gets. So from when you solve it, this is M1 L minus 2 T minus 2. Now coming to viscosity. Viscosity, the one of the formula which is related to viscosity, we come across the term viscosity is Stokes law. That is F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. When there is a sphere, small sphere of radius r, moves through a liquid, it experiences a drag force, retarding force, and this is given by Stokes law. F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. Where F is drag force, eta is coefficient of viscosity, r is radius, and v is the velocity of the sphere. We shall be doing it later on when we shall be doing the chapter on liquids. So eta is F upon 6 pi eta RV. F is mass into acceleration. 6 pi r, velocity is what? Distance upon time or displacement upon time. For convenience, I have written distance upon time. So this is M L1 T minus 2. That is the dimension formula for force. 6 pi is constant, we don't consider it. R is radius, length only. Velocity is distance upon time, L1 T minus 1. So dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity comes out to be M1 L minus 1 T minus 1. So as usual, our next step is put these dimensional formulas in this equation. So L3 T minus 1 LA, write the dimensional formula M1 L minus 2 T minus 2 for what? P by L, we have got it from here. Raised to our B, coefficient of viscosity M1 L minus 1 T minus 1. Put it over here, raised to our C. Now you open the brackets. LA M, 1 to B is B, minus 2 into B is minus 2B, minus 2 into B is minus 2B, so C to the power minus 2B. Similarly, M to the power C, L to the power minus C, T to the power minus C. Now we segregate in terms of M, L, and T. So M, I start from here, scan it this way, M, B, C, so B plus C, L, A minus 2B minus C, A minus 2B minus C, that is for L. T to the power minus 2B minus C. The next step is, because this has to be dimensionally correct, this equation has to be dimensionally correct, so because of principle of homogeneity, the dimensions of LHS should be that of RHS. So we create the powers of ML and T on this side with the powers of ML and T on this side individually. So 0 is equal to B plus C, equating parts of L. 3 is equal to A minus 2B minus C, equating powers of T, that is minus 1 is equal to minus 2B minus C. If you multiply both the sides with minus 1, you get 1 is equal to 2B plus C. So 1 is this, the second is 0 plus B plus C. If you multiply both sides with 2, so 0 is equal to 2B plus 2C, comes over here. From this equation, you can deduct this equation. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 2B minus 2B is 0, C minus 2, c is minus c, so c comes out to be minus 1. Once we get c is equal to minus 1, we get c is equal to minus 1. When c is minus 1, b is obviously b is going to be 1 only. We put c is equal to minus 1 over here, so b will come out to be 1. So we have got the value of b, we have got the value of c also. C is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1. Put these values over here in this equation, and you get a is equal to 4, you get from putting the values in this equation. So you have got a, b and c. We have got all these values a, b and c. We put these values over here. So we get the formula. Rate of flow is proportional to the r raised to 4, p by l is to 1, theta raised to minus 1. Minus 1, it goes into the denominator. So velocity. So the volume is equal to k, where k is the constant of proportionality. R raised to 4, p theta by l. Otherwise, the formula is pi p r raised to 4 upon a theta l. That is the formula. Obviously, from the dimensional analysis, you cannot make out what is the value of the constant.